So guys, good evening traders. So welcome to Greenleaf FX, and today we want to learn about support and resistance, or rather supply and demand zones. So wacha tuanzie analysis, and I always do my analysis on daily because on daily you're able to see, you get to understand where the market is going. So doing on a daily analysis on daily, it makes sense. So now, let's say now you woke up in the morning and you found the market is here. So now what do you do? So what you need to do, number one, the first thing you need to do is first of all to identify the trend. And in this case, as you can see, we already know, we can see the trend is going down. So that's number one on our checklist. We know the trend is going down. So what are we doing? We're looking for sales only. So we are looking for sales only. So after that, the next thing you do is to mark the highest point the market made and the lowest point. So in this case, we are going to make our highest point, which is this one, the most recent. No, not this one, the most recent. So it is this one. And then you mark the lowest point, which is this one. Okay. So once you do that, you already know now if the market breaks this, we continue selling. If the market breaks above and closes above, now that's another story. So in this case, because the market is going down, we want to look for selling opportunities only. So if I see the market is here, I know now I want to sell. Why? Because we're on a downtrend and we are at resistance. Current market here is testing this area. So if we take, sorry, if we take our sales from here, then it will look something like this. So put there, and then you put your stop loss around there. So let's assume we woke up, found the market here. We have already identified the trend. The market is at resistance. We'll go down on smaller time frame to look for selling opportunities. But because I already know, we at support, we at resistance, the market's more likely. We have a high probability the market will drop down. Okay. So let's see. And this is Euro USD, by the way. So I'm using playback for just to demonstrate the support and resistance. So let's see what will happen if we take a sell from there. So we'll play the market. Let's see how the market plays. So right there, we're already in a trade. So you just be patient until the market gets to this bottom, gets at support, because you enter at, yes, like that. So now we've already, you see the market has already, once it gets here, you have two options. You either take your profit or you bring your, stop loss to break even. So let's just assume we've taken our profit. So now this guy will come back here. So that's a win. That's one win. So since the market is here, what do? We wait to see whether the market will break below or will push back up, because it can range. So at this point, you've already have one win. So you wait for the market to either break this or go up again. So at this point, we're just waiting. So because we don't know what the market will do. Good. So now, since the market has broken down, this support will become now resistance. Okay, this was a demand zone and this was a supply zone. Supply means there are sellers there. Demand means there are buyers. So it came here, it bought a bit, but the buyers were not, they were not that strong because we are on a downtrend. So now since it has broken down, you have to wait for a retracement, a pullback to this region, which again, from here, it was buyers here, it was a support. So we're anticipating when the market comes here, we know the market will turn into resistance. So the market is supposed to go down. So now let's see what will happen. So at this point, you're just patient, you're waiting. There you go. You're just waiting because here imetupita. So you just wait, you just be patient. And at that point, now you see the market has touched that zone. Okay. So since the market came actually there. Good. So this is now is a high probability because the market has touched and it has closed with a bearish engulfing. Okay. So now we come now and we get inside now. We trade now. So we enter there. We put our stop loss above this high. So we can put it a bit high kidogo hapo. And then now we ride it down to the next support, which is this one. Okay, hapo. So we will trade like that. So we've entered there, the stop loss is there. So we bring this guy there. Okay, so we enter again, and now let's see what the market will do. So you just enter and you hold. So we're making money, we're making money, and there we go. Okay, there. So another win. So since we've won, we take it back. So now we wait again. If the market breaks this support, so you see we made money from here and then here. Those are two wins. So now you wait. You've taken your profit. You wait and see whether the market will break again this support. If it breaks this support, then we wait again to retest. We enter because from here the market can decide to go up. So since we don't know that, we are assuming we don't know that. So you wait for a break of structure. This is what we call break of structure. If the market breaks this support will turn again to resistance. So we wait and see. So we are waiting for a proper break. You see, we're just waiting, just waiting. There, good. So now we know now the sellers are in control. So the market has broken down. So what do? We wait. We can't sell here. We wait again for the market to pull back to this region again. As you can see here, it was support here. We wait for it to turn just the same as here. Before you see, it was support here. It broke down. Now we are waiting here to retest again, and then the market came down. The same thing here. So here, the market has broken down here. It has broken down, so we are waiting for a pullback again. Here we sell again. So let's see what the market will do. So at this point, don't chase the market. You just wait. You wait for a proper pullback. You're just waiting. You're just waiting. You're ignoring these cells that you're seeing here. These cells, you ignore them. Just have to be patient until the market comes to this area, because will be the best place to start looking for cells, and it has a high probability. And remember, we're on daily, guys. You see the market has gone there. So now at this point we decide, what do you do? The market haijaguza, it has not touched the zone that we wanted, but you can still enter. If you enter here, okay, if you enter here now, your stop loss has to be a bit wide, okay, like that, above this previous high here. Okay, so let's see. And then now let me delete this guy. So now again you draw your support, the lowest point, that is the demand zone. See, the market here went up. So you wait now, you enter here, you wait for the market to come here. So let's see what happens. This is another trade that we've taken now. You just wait. So you can see we're in profit. There we go. You see, another win. So now that you've won again, you take your profit and you wait. You wait again for this market to be broken down. If the market breaks down again, you wait for a retest. Okay, so let's wait and see. So at this point, you're just waiting. You've already taken your profit. You're just waiting to see whether the market again will break this point here. This is the current support. So you wait, you just wait. You're just waiting. At that point, you're not taking any sell. You're waiting there. So now you've confirmed the market has broken this support. Now we wait again for a retest here to see if the market will retest here. We'll sell again. So let's just wait and see. So at this point, you're waiting, you're patient, you don't sell. You'll be tempted to sell here, but you just wait. Just wait for the market to pull back again. You just wait, you just wait. Even there, you'll be tempted. You just wait. At this point, you're just waiting. You see, you're just waiting for the market to come here. It's a patient game. For you to win in Forex, you just need to be patient. You just need to be patient and wait there. As you can see now, good. The market has come to retest this zone. Okay, so now this again will be a good place to start looking for sell. So we just assume you'll sell there, stop loss above there. So now what do? Again, now this becomes your what? Let me delete this. So now again, you draw your lowest point, which is that guy, and then your stop loss will be there. So you can put your TP there, and then now you wait. So you wait for the market to do whatever it wants to do. Right now you're in profit. At that point, you put your stop loss to break even. Good. You can see now the market you've won. So guys, because I don't want to make a very long video, I just wanted this video to be 10 minutes. So that's how you identify support and resistance, and that's how you trade support and resistance. So you just need to be patient. You just need to know where is the recent highs and recent lows. Once you mark them, then that's it, guys. You just enter, you make your trade, you be patient, you put your stop loss, and you put your target, your TP, and then from there, that's it. You just wait. Hii kitu si ngumu. You just need to understand the flow, the direction of the market. Because if you miss on the direction of the market, then you'll end up losing money. So to recap, so that we finish the video, as you can see, the most important thing in this game, guys, the most important thing is just to identify the trend. Where is the trend going? Is it going up or is it going down? And how do you know that? You just go on daily. Just go on daily. Daily, you see, because each candle takes a day to print. So once you're on daily candlestick, then you're able to understand. You just zoom out like this. You just know, okay, this is where the market is going. It's going down. Fine. If it's going down, then I need to identify support and resistance. Where is my support? It is here. Where is my resistance? It is here. Once you do that, then that's it, guys. Hakuna ati kitu ngumu hapa ya kushinda panic. No, I just come here, identify. Now this is my recent support. I mean, it was support here. Now it is resistance. I'll just have to wait for the market to come here. If it comes here, I sell, and then the market goes down. So that being said, guys, ladies and gentlemen, wacha tumalizie hapo, and I just hope you've learned something. If not, if you still want to learn more, you can just SMS or just leave a comment on below. We'll see what you want to learn. So wacha nimalizie video hapo isikuwe refu. So to recap mara ya mwisho, identify the trend, get to understand where support and resistance is, then you enter a trade and become patient, and always do your analysis on a daily candlesticks. Hiyo ndio itakupatia market direction. So that being said, guys, good night.